ladies that have got the same outfit on. Wow, yes. Hello. Oh, someone dropped. Oh, I thought that was a phone, but it's not. Oh, you hula hoop the whole way? Hola. Oh, another. This colour pant shorts are everywhere today. Goodness. Glow in the dark. I'd love to see the pose for marathon polo. Great. There's a young couple in the blue holding hands. Look, oh, that's nice.